Trains.
Choo-choo! Trains are long vehicles that carry people and goods across the country. They run on tracks and can go really fast.
City bus.
The city bus is a big vehicle that helps people get around the city. It stops at bus stations to pick up passengers and take them to their destinations.
Garbage truck.
Oh no, it's garbage time. The garbage truck is a special vehicle that collects trash from our homes and takes it away so we can keep our streets clean.
Truck crane.
This big machine has a long arm that can lift heavy objects. Truck cranes are used in construction to move big, heavy things like steel beams and other materials.
Cattle truck.
A cattle truck is used to transport animals like cows. These trucks have special spaces to keep the animals safe and comfortable while they travel.
Double-decker bus.
Hooah, a double-decker bus. This bus has 2 levels, so people can sit upstairs and enjoy the view while traveling around the city or country.
Logging truck.
Logging trucks carry large trees from forests to places where the wood is turned into products like paper and furniture. They're strong and can carry a lot of weight.
Car carrier.
Have you ever seen a big truck carrying cars? That's a car carrier. It can hold many cars at once and deliver them to stores or dealerships.
Police car.
sirens on? Police cars are used by officers to patrol the streets and help keep people safe. When there's an emergency, police cars rush to the scene.
Compact off-road vehicle.
These small, tough vehicles are made to drive off the beaten path. They're perfect for exploring mountains, forests, or deserts where regular cars can't go.
Ambulance.
When someone is hurt or sick, an ambulance comes to help. It has flashing lights and sirens and takes people to the hospital for medical care.
Hummer.
The Hummer is a tough, military-style vehicle built to drive through rough terrain. It's big, strong, and can go almost anywhere.
Streetcar.
Streetcars are like trains, but they run on tracks in the streets. They're a fun way to travel around the city and help reduce traffic.
Cement mixer truck.
This truck helps build roads and buildings by mixing cement. The big drum spins round and round, keeping the cement wet and ready to pour.
Double drum roller.
This big machine rolls over the ground to make it flat and smooth. It's used to help make new roads or prepare construction sites.